Click on the recipe, quinoa salad with chicken, almonds, and avocado. You can now browse the steps under the section Directions. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Click on Avocado in the grocery checklist. You can see the various options to input your informations. Click on Unmute to listen to the music. This section was done via code, and if you would like to adapt it to your personal taste, contact me. Note that they might be an additional fee. Afterwards, click on Weekly Nutrition Goals. Get a clear overview of your weekly goals with options for setting recurring weekly goals and customizing reminder dates and times. To track your progress, simply mark the day you accomplished each goal by clicking on it. Don't forget to select the week of to keep your goals organized by week. Next, click on Grocery Checklist. Use this space to store all your grocery list items and keep track of your pantry essentials. Click on Recipes. Here, you can organize recipes by difficulty level: easy, moderate, or advanced. Thank you for exploring this template. Now it's your turn to dive in and make it your own. Here's to more organized, healthy, and enjoyable meal prep every week.